Hello friends, now in this video we will see some more examples on linear equation in one variable. That is, these are the examples, that is reducing equations to simpler form. Now see this example, example number 16. Solve 6x plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 is equals to x minus 3 upon 6. Now see this here. This is the equation, given equation. Now to solve this equation, see this here, we'll multiply, that is here 1 upon 1 here. And what is the LCM here? The 6 is LCM. Therefore multiply to the both sides by 6. Therefore 6x plus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 6 here. 1 upon 1, that is multiplied by 6. Again next x minus 3 into 6 upon 6. Okay. Now after the cancellations here you will get, that is a 3 ones are and 3 twos are 6. Therefore 2 in bracket 6x plus 1, 6 into 1 here is 6, and these 6 and 6 get cancelled, and here you will get x minus 3. Now the simple multiplication, that is a 2 into 6x, you will get 12x, 2 into 1 2 plus 6 x minus 3, that's equals to x minus 3. Now the 2 plus 6, that is a 8. Therefore here is a 12x. Transfer this x to the left hand side, then you will get 12x minus x and this 8. Next 12x minus x, that is 11x. Next transpose this 8 to the right hand side, it will become minus. Therefore 11x minus 3 minus 8, that's x minus 11, and therefore x is equals to, here we can write here x is equals to, you will get here minus 11, and as 11 is multiplied to this x, as it is multiplied, when we transpose to the right hand side it will become divided, and hence here you will get, if we cancel it, and here you will get x is equals to minus 1, and this is the solution. Okay, now the next question. Solve 5x minus 2 in bracket 2x minus 7, and that's equals to 2 in bracket 3x minus 1 bracket complete plus 7 by 2. Okay, now first of all we'll open the bracket. Okay, now first we see the LHS side. What is given in the LHS? 5x, that is a 2 into 2x minus 2 into 2x minus 4x minus 2 into minus 7, that is a 2 into 7, that is a 14. And if you simplify this, 5x minus 4x, you will get x plus 14, and this is the first one, LHS. What about the RHS? This is the RHS. 2 into 3x, that makes 6x here. 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 1, it's a minus 1, and plus 7 by 2, it's as it is. Now next, see this here, 6x is as it is here, minus 2 can be written as, that is a 2 upon 1 here, multiplied n and d by 2, that you will get minus 4 upon 2 plus 7 by 2, so that you will get same base. Okay, therefore here 6x minus 4 by 2 plus 7 by 2, you will get 3 by 2. 6x plus 3 by 2. Now these two are equal. Okay, therefore the equation is a x plus 14 and 6x plus 3 by 2, and again here we will simplify. Now in the next step, transpose this x to the right hand side. Therefore here you will get 14 is equals to 6x minus x plus 3 by 2. 6x minus x, you will get 5x. Therefore 14 is equals to 5x plus 3 by 2. Again transpose this 3 by 2 to the left hand side, it will become minus. Now 2 into 14, that is a 28. Okay, 28 minus 3 upon 2. Okay, here 28 minus 3, it makes 25 upon 2, that's equals to 5x. Therefore we want to find out the value of x. Therefore as 5 is multiplied to this x, when we transpose to this left hand side, it will become divided, it becomes 1 by 5, and therefore 25 by 2 into 1 upon 5. Next simplification is very easy. Okay, this 25 means what? 5 into 5 upon 2 into 5, this 5 get cancelled, and hence Here you will get x is equals to 5 by 2, and therefore the required solution is x is equals to 5 by 2. Now we'll solve the exercise 2.5. The first example. The first example is x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5, and that's equals to x upon 3 plus 1 by 4. Now in the first step we will collect variables to the left hand side and numbers to the right hand side. Now here the variables x by 2 and the 3 by x by 3, these are the variables. We'll collect these to the left hand side. Okay, and therefore here you will get x upon 2 minus, as it has a plus sign, therefore when we transpose to the left hand side it will become minus x upon 3, and that's equals to 1 by 4 is as it is, therefore it has a plus sign, and minus 1 by 5, when we transpose to the right hand side it will become plus, which is the 1 upon 5. Now in the next step we'll have here the normal cross multiplication, that is a 3 into x, you will get here 3x, 2 into x, and it has a minus in between them, that is a minus 2x, and to the denominator 2 into 3, here 2 into 3, and that's equals to, here again the cross multiplication, 1 into 5, you will get 5, 1 into 4, 4 upon 5 into 4, you will get 9 upon 20. Okay, 3x minus 2x, you will get x upon 6, and that's equals to 9 upon 20. Okay, exactly. Next we want to find out the value of x, and therefore here you will get here x is equals to 9 upon 20 into, as this 6 is divided it will become here multiplied, and therefore we simplify here. What is that? 2 3s are 6, and here 2 10s are 20, and the 3 into 9, that is a 27 upon 10, and therefore the answer is x is equals to 27 upon 10. This is the answer. Okay, see the next example. Now the next example is n upon 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6, and that's equals to 26. CBSC first of all, n upon 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n upon 6, and that's equals to 21. Now see this here is a 2, 4 and 6. Now the LCM of 2, 4, 6 is 12. Okay, and therefore so that we'll multiply here the number 6, so that we'll get here 12, here by 3 and here by 2. Okay, therefore if we multiply here numerator and denominator by 6, that is a 6 into n upon 6 into 2 minus 3n into, here is a 3, 4 into 3 plus 5n upon 6 into 2. Okay, and here into 2, and that's equals to, that is multiplying first ratio by 6, second ratio by 3, and then 2, so that we will get the same base. After multiplication, here you will get 6n upon 12 minus 9n upon 12 plus 10n upon 12, and that's equals to 21. Here I will write here LCM, that's equals to 12. Okay. Now here their total is 6n, in between them minus sign, therefore it is a minus 9, plus 10n, and this whole divided by 12, and that's equals to 21. 6n plus 10n, that is a 16 minus 9. Okay, therefore here you will get 16n minus 9n. You will get here 7n upon 12, and that's equals to 21. And therefore here again n is equals to, now here 12 is divided by, it will become multiplied here, and 7 is multiplied, it will become here divided. Therefore 21 into 12 upon 7. Now we'll simplify here. 7 ones are and 7 threes are 21. Now 3 into 12, that is 36. Therefore here we get n is equals to 36, and this is the solution. Okay, you can see this again, multiplied by 12, sorry, LCM is a 12, so that multiplied this all the fraction, so that to the denominator you will get 12. Okay, therefore 2 into 6, 4 into 3, and 6 into 2, multiplied numerator denominator, multiplied n and d, multiplied n and d. That n is equals to 36. Now the next example, x plus 7 minus 8x upon 3 plus 17 upon 6 minus 5x upon 2. Now the solution, here is a x upon 1 plus 7 upon 1 minus 8x upon 3, and that's equals to, next is a 17 upon 6 minus 5x upon 2. Now the LCM of 2, 3, 6 is 6. Therefore LCM of 2, 3, and 6 is 6. Therefore multiply this expression by the number such that to the denominator you will get 6, or also you can multiply here this whole expression by 6 also. Okay, therefore multiply by 6 this whole expression. Therefore if you multiply by 6, then to this x you will get 6x. Here is a 6 into 7 minus 8x upon 3 into 6 is equals to 17 upon 6 into 6 minus 5x upon 2 into 6. Here is a 6x. 6 into 7, 42, 3 ones are and 3 twos are 6. 8x into 2, 8x into 2, that is a 16x, and that's equals to, okay, here 17. Next is a 2 ones are and 2 threes are 6. Here 5x into 3, here you will get 15x. Okay. Next is a collect all these variables to the left hand side. First is 6x as it is. Next minus 16x, and minus 15x. Transpose to the left hand side, it will become plus 15x. 17 to the right hand side as it is, and now transpose this 42 plus 42 to the right hand side, it will become minus. It is a minus 42. Okay. Now next here 6x, you will get here minus 10x plus 15x. And what about here subtraction? Plus 17 minus 42, you will get here minus 25. Okay. Now here minus 10x and plus 15x. Here you will get, therefore you will get here 5x, and that's equals to minus 25. Divide on both sides by 5, or as this 5 is multiplied to this x, when we transpose this to the right hand side, it will become divided. Therefore minus 25 upon 5. You get here 5. Therefore x is equals to minus 5. This is the solution. Okay. Yeah. See the second very simple example. Now the next example. Now the next example, x minus 5 upon 3 is equals to x minus 3 upon 5. Okay. X minus 5 upon 3 is equals to x minus 3 upon 5. Now the first step is a cross multiplication here. That is 5 into, in bracket, x minus 5, and that's 3 into, in bracket, x minus 3. Okay. By the cross multiplication. Now normal simplification, 5 into x. Therefore here you will get 5x. 5 into minus 5, that is a minus here 25. 3 into x, you will get here 3x. 3 into minus 3, you will get minus 9. Now transpose this variable to the left hand side and in numbers to the right hand sides. Now these are the variables. That is 5x. When we transpose this 3x to the left hand side, it will become minus, and that's equals to. Transpose this minus 25 to the right hand side. As it has a minus sign, it will become plus 25. Minus 9 plus 25, here you will get 60. And therefore 5x minus 3x, you will get here 2x, and that's equals to 16. As 2 is multiplied to the x, when we transpose to the right hand side, it will become divided. That is 16 upon 2, and then simplify. 2 ones are and 2 8s are 16. Therefore here you will get x is equals to 8. Okay. Therefore x is equals to 8. This is the solution. Okay. You can see this here. First is a cross multiplication and normal simplification is here. Now see the Next example. Example number 5. 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 equal to 2 upon 3 minus t. Okay, see this here. 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3, and that's equals to 2 upon 3 minus this t. Okay, now again the LCM of 4, 3 is 12. Therefore, multiply on both sides by 12. Okay, now here we will multiply on both sides by 12. That is 12 in bracket 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 12 in bracket 2t plus 3 upon 3, that is equals to 12 into 2 upon 3 minus 12 into e. Okay, now the simplification. 4 ones are 4 threes are 12, 3 ones are 3 fours are 12, 3 ones are and 3 fours are 12. Now the simplification, 3 in bracket 3t minus 2 minus 4 in bracket 2t plus 3, 4 into 2, 8 minus 12t. Okay, next is a 9t minus 6 minus 8t minus 12, and that's equals to minus 8 minus 12t. Okay, now collect the terms of t to the left hand side. 9t is as it is, minus 8t, and here minus, transpose this minus 12t to the left hand side, it will become plus 12t. Now the numbers, first is 8 to the right hand side as it is, next minus 6 and minus 12, that will become plus 6 plus 12. Okay, now here 90 minus 80, you will get t plus 12t, here you will get 13t, and here. Okay, therefore next is a 12 plus 8, 20 plus 6, and that is overall you will get here 26. Now we want to find out the value of t, as 13 is multiplied with 30. When we will transpose to the right hand side, it will become divided. Therefore t is equals to 26 upon 13. Simplify it, we will get here 2, and therefore here t is equals to 2, and this is the answer. This again, LCM is at 12. Now the next example, m minus 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 minus m minus 2 upon 3. Now here again the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Therefore multiply the whole expression by 6 multiplied by 6 on both sides. Okay, multiplied by 6 on both sides. Therefore 6 into m minus 6 into m minus 1 upon 2 is equals to 6 into 1 minus 6 into m minus 2 upon 3. Now therefore the simplification 6 into m, you will get here 6m, again simplification, that is a 3 in bracket m minus 1, that is equals to 6, 3 ones are and 3 twos are 6, that is a 2 in bracket m minus 2. This is again the simplification 6m minus 3m, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3, that's equals to 6 minus 2m, minus 2 into minus 2, that is a plus 4. Next, therefore next is a 6m minus, collect the terms of m on the left hand side, 6m minus 3m, transpose this minus 2m to the left hand side, it will become plus 2m, and the next is a 6 plus 4 as it is, transpose this plus 3 to the right hand side, it will become minus. Okay, now here 6m minus 3m, you will get here 3m, 3m plus 2m, 5m. Okay, what about here 6 plus 4, 10, 10 minus 3, you will get here 7, and therefore m is equals to 7 upon 5, and hence here m is equals to 7 upon 5, and this will be answer. See this here. Next example. Next example is very easy. 3 in bracket t minus 3 is equals to 5 in bracket 2t plus 1. Okay, now we'll simplify here. 3 into t, you will get here 3t. 3 into 3, 9. 5 into 2t, you will get here 10t. 5 into 1, here you will get 5. Now collect the terms of t to the left hand side, so that you will get 3t. Transpose this 10t to the right hand side, left hand side, it will become minus 10t. And transpose this minus 9 to the right hand side, it will become plus 5 plus 9, here you will get 40. Now next 3t minus 10t, you will get minus 70, that is equals to 40, and therefore here t is equals to 14 upon minus 7, and that's equals to minus 2, and therefore t is equals to minus 2 is the solution. Okay, yeah, here is the answer. T is equals to minus 2. Yeah, very simple. Now the next example. Now the next example, 15 in bracket y minus 4, that's equal, sorry, minus 2 in bracket y minus 9 plus 5 in bracket y plus 6, and that's equals to 0. And therefore 15 into y, you will get here 15y, 15 into 4, that is 60, minus 2 into y, minus 2y, minus 2 into 9, 18, 5 into y, here you will get 5y, 5 into 6, that is 30. Okay. Now collect the terms of y here, that is 15y minus 2y and plus 5y. Therefore we will write here 15y minus, sorry here, minus 2y plus 5y. Okay, next terms are minus 60 plus 18 plus 30, that's equals to 0. Therefore 15y plus, that is a 20, 15y minus 2y, here you will get 13y plus 5y, 18y, minus 60 plus 30, minus 30, minus 30 plus 18, here you will get minus 12, and that's equals to 0. And therefore 18y, we want to find out the value of y. Transpose this 12 to the right hand side. Next, as it is a minus, it will become plus. Now transpose this 18 to the right hand side. As it is a multiplied with y, it will become divided, and therefore here you will get y is equals to 12 upon 18. Now simplify this. 6 2s are 18 and 6 3s are 8. 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. You will get 2 upon 3, and therefore y is equals to 2 upon 3, and this is the answer. Okay. See this here. Take the next example. Now the next example, 3 in bracket 5z minus 7 minus 2 in bracket 9z minus 11. Okay, and that's equals to 4 in bracket 8z minus 13 minus 17. Now simplify here. 3 into 5z, you will get 15z. 3 into 7, 21. 2 into 9, minus 18z, minus 2 into minus 11, plus 22. 8 into 4, 32z. 4 into 13, 52, and minus 17. Now we collect the terms of variables. First is here 15z minus 18z. Transpose this minus 32z to the right hand side, it will become minus 32z. Now the next, minus 52 minus 17. Next, transpose this minus 21 and plus 22 to the right hand side. Minus 21 will become plus 21 and plus 22 will become minus 22. Now the next is, what about here? 15z minus 18z, you will get minus 3z minus 32z, and that's equals to, next is here 52 minus 17, here you will get minus 69. Okay, next is a plus 21 and minus 22, here you will get minus 1, and overall you will get here minus 70. Okay, and the next is a minus 3z minus 32z, you will get here minus 35z, and that's equals to minus 70, and therefore z is equals to minus 70 upon minus 35. That minus and minus, that will become plus 35, 35 is 70, and therefore here you will get z is equals to 2. Okay, answer z is equals to, see this here. Now we'll see the next example. Now the next example in the decimal form, that is a 0.25 in bracket 4f minus 3, that's equals to 0.05 in bracket 10f minus 9. Now the simplification, 0.25 into 4f minus 3 into 0.25, 0.05 into 10f minus 0.05 into 9. Now the multiplication, 0.25 into 4, that is 1. Okay, you can see this here, 0.25 into 4, that's equals to 25 into 4, that is 100, and go to the 2 decimal to the left hand side, you will get here 1. Okay, therefore multiplication is a 1f. Next, 3 into 0.25, you will get minus 0.75. Next is a 0.05 into 10f. Now transpose this decimal to the 1 place right hand side, you will get 0.5f. Next is a 0.05 into 9, you will get 0.45. Okay, now again this 1f minus 0.5f. Now transpose this minus 0.75 to the right hand side, you will get here plus 0.75 minus 0.45. Okay, now after their subtraction you will get here 0.30. Okay, and what about here 1f minus 0.05, you will get 0.5f, that's equals to 0.30. Therefore here again f is equals to 0.30 upon 0.5. Okay, now to solve this, multiplied this n and d by 100, then you will get here 30 upon 50, and that's nothing but the 3 by 5. Okay, and therefore here f is equals to 3 upon 5, and this is the answer. Okay, and in this way we have completed this exercise. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye. You can have also this answer.